Hello, my friends. It is me, Miss Caroline. Today, we get to sing a story all about my friend who loves to dance. I bet a lot of my friends love to dance. Who loves to dance? Say, me. Well, I am super excited to see all of your cool, groovy moves as we dance along with Pete the cat. You see Pete the cat? He is dancing on the cover. He is ready to groove. So, we're going to read our story. And when we're singing our story, we get to do some dancing when we hear the music. Ready? First we'll read, then we will hear the music. And when we hear the music, we can dance. I want to see your moves. Let's see. We will start by reading. Let's see. Pete the cat was learning a new dance, the Cool Cat Boogie. Then Grumpy Toad came along. I really dig that song, but Pete, you dance all wrong. Pete did not know what to say. He just turned and walked away. Pete couldn't sleep at all that night. What if Grumpy Toad was right? What if my moves are bad? The thought of not dancing made Pete feel sad. Dancing is like magic. When I hear a groovy beat, I'm full of happy in my feet. I won't give up. I love to dance. Let me give it one more chance. Ready, friends? Now we get to dance. Here's my set.
I'm gonna love to dance. I'm gonna love to dance. I'm gonna love to dance, 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 dance. I really love to dance.
Good dancing, friends. Let's see what Pete does next. Pete was practicing the Cool Cat Boogie when he saw Squirrel. Hey, Squirrel, how do you dance? How do you groove? Can you show me how to move? Sure, Pete. It's a simple song. Just cha-cha-cha and dance along. Ready? We're going to cha-cha-cha with Pete and Squirrel. Ready? Let's cha-cha-cha. Here we go.
I'm gonna love to dance. I'm gonna love to dance. I'm gonna love to dance, 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 dance. I really love to dance.
Yes. All right, friends. Let's see what move we do next. Ouch, Pete. You stepped on my toes. That's not how this dance goes. Pete did not know what to say. He just turned and walked away. But dancing is like magic. When I hear a groovy beat, I'm full of happy in my feet. I won't give up. I love to dance. Let me give it one more chance. Ready? Now we can shake, shake, shake like this. Shake. Yes, show me how you shake, shake, shake. Here we go.
I'm gonna love to dance. I'm gonna love to dance. I'm gonna love to dance, 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 dance. I really love to dance.
Stop. Good dancing. Let's see what moves he comes up with next. Hey, Gus, how do you dance? How do you groove? Can you teach me how to move? Sure, Pete. It's a simple song. Just do the robot and dance along. Okay, friends, so for this time, we get to do the robot. Ooh, we can move just stiff like a robot. Ready? Ooh, we can go like this. We can go like this. Let's see your robot. Here's my song.
I'm gonna love to dance. I'm gonna love to dance. I'm gonna love to dance, 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 dance. I really love to dance.
Okay, good robot friends. Let's see what's next. Ouch, Pete! You bopped me on the nose. That is not how this dance goes. Pete did not know what to say. He simply turned and walked away. But dancing is like magic. When I hear a groovy beat, I'm full of happy in my feet. I won't give up. I love to dance. Let me give it one more chance. Ready? We get to dance together. Let's see. Cha, cha, cha.
I'm gonna love to dance. I'm gonna love to dance. I'm gonna love to dance, 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 dance. I really love to dance.
Oh, let's see what we're gonna do next. Let's see. All right. Oh, we missed a page. Pete was still trying to do the Cool Cat Boogie when Turtle came along. Hey, Turtle, how do you dance? How do you groove? Can you teach me how to move? Sure, Pete. It's a simple song. Just shake your tail and dance along. Ready, friends? We're going to shake our tails. I will stand up and we can shake our tails together. Ready? You can show me how you shake, 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 shake. Good shaking. Let's shake together.
I'm gonna love to dance. I'm gonna love to dance. I'm gonna love to dance, 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 dance. I really love to dance.
Stop. Okay, friends, we are almost done with our story. Let's see what moves we have left. Oh no! Pete, you fell! You tripped over my shell. Everybody knows that that's not how this dance goes. Pete felt like giving up. Oh, poor Pete. Let's see. Wise old owl had been watching from his tree. Pete, it doesn't matter how you move as long as you are being you. Let's see. You are right. I never want to miss a chance to dance. When you hear a groovy beat and you feel happy in your feet, just dance, dance, dance. Ready? Let's do the Cool Cat Boogie along with Pete.
I'm gonna love to dance. I'm gonna love to dance. I'm gonna love to dance, 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 dance. I really love to dance.
Stop. Yay! The end. Great singing, my friends. You did awesome and great dancing. All right, we can say that music is all done. Let's say bye. Bye, friends.